fish. We want it where? Where is it? It's so hard to find. Smell it. Hey.
Fatty acids. There are 3 types of fatty acids. You know what the first kind is? Saturated fatty acids.
Second, monounsaturated fatty acids.
Third, polyunsaturated fatty acids. Now see, the difference between these fatty acids comes in the bonding. First, saturated fatty acids are single bond carbon chains. Second, monounsaturated have 1 carbon-carbon double bond. And third, polyunsaturated has 1 or more carbon-carbon double bond. Now these are going to affect both the physical properties and the way the body handles them.
Saturated fats. Usually a diet that consists of saturated fats has cheese that's been creamed, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, and peanut oil. Comes from peanuts. Saturated fats are usually liquid at room temperature, and they don't spoil as quickly. A short chain usually is liquefied, medium is liquid, and long is solid, like brick. You know what a brick is? Okay.
A diet high in saturated fats is also high in cholesterol, which is bad for your heart.
The fatty acids' stability depend on the carbon-carbon bonding. The more double carbon bonds that the fatty acids have, the more unstable they are.
That's why unsaturated fats spoil quicker.
Now we're going to talk about trans fats. Trans fats are trans isomers of unsaturated fat. Now, they act like saturated fats in the fact that they increase bad cholesterol and they decrease good cholesterol, which leads to bad heart health.
Omega-3 and omega-6 are both essential fatty acids, which means that they are essential for life, but we cannot make them in the body naturally. These fatty acids are important in the body because they've converted into what we call eicosanoids. Now these things are important for heart health because they decrease clotting factor and also help with inflammation, which is important in the body. Deficiency in these essential fatty acids can cause problems with the body, including skin disorders, diarrhea, anemia, liver abnormalities, poor wound healing,
Oh, look, a cut.
and impaired vision and hearing. Bad fats!
Saturated and trans fats. You need to limit these or avoid these to save your heart. Good fats, little guys. Monounsaturated, polyunsaturated. You need to get these. Yes.
You can find omega-6 in just about anything that's grass or grain fed, like beef or sheep.
Omega-3s, you know where you find these?
Fish!
Pollution can be a major problem in consuming fish because of mercury.
There are certain fish you should avoid, like sharks, for multiple reasons. One being their high mercury content. Another, swordfish, and also other large fish like large tuna, like albacore, and king mackerel. Fish that you want to eat are the little ones, like shrimp, smaller fish like salmon and trout and smaller tunas. Mercury poisoning has a lot of bad side effects, such as
PCBs. Farmed fish have more of these. Due to the increased aquaculture, nearly 400%, humans have taken on more of these PCBs, which are harmful. Salmon farming is one of the main reasons. Salmon are carnivorous fish, and since they eat pellets that have weird things in them like dolphin snouts and chicken feathers, they tend to be eating farther up the food chain than they're supposed to go, leading us to have all of this bad stuff in our salmon. Thank you for watching. This film was produced by us three.
bye.
I dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die.
Was it this card? Was it this card?
We will eat the hobbit. We will eat
This card?
We will eat the magician
This card?
from behind.
This card? This card?
We will kill the magician for his shoes.